Hello. Today we are going to look into some of the best open source therapy models available on Hugging Face. So in this video, before I start, I would like to let you know that I'm going to touch into three things in this video. First is our recommendations for therapy models. Second, each model and its details. Third is the evaluation framework we used, the test cases, and where you could find these models. So, as you could see here, these are our results and conclusion. The first rank goes to Llama 3 Met 42, second goes to Gemma 3 Fine Tuned Health, third goes to Jossified Health Quen 3. And talking about the evaluation framework, like how these models were evaluated. So at BrainDrive, we have our own evaluation framework for therapy models. We call it CareLock. So CareLock uses 10 metrics, as you could see here. The first one is empathy, second is emotional relevance, third is tone, fourth is boundary, fifth is support, sixth is ethical safety, seventh is clarity, eighth is consistency, ninth is self awareness, and 10th is adaptability. So, talking about the first rank model, that is Llama 3 Met 42, it is an 8 billion parameter model, by the way, and it has scored 8.6 out of 10, which is very well. And talking about individual key metrics, empathy is 8, emotional relevance is 9, tone is 9, boundary is 9, support is 8, ethical safety is 10, clarity is 8, consistency is 9, self awareness is 9, and adaptability is also 9, which is really good, I would say. And some details about these model, talking about the context window size, it is 8,000 tokens. License is Llama 3 community. It only supports one language, that is English. Now moving on to the second model, that is Gemma 3 Fine Tuned Health. It has a score of 8.55 out of 10, and it is again an 8 billion parameter model. Now, coming to the individual key metrics, the empathy score is 9, emotional relevance is 9, tone is 9, boundary is 7, support is 9, ethical safety is 10, clarity is 8, consistency is 8, self awareness is 6, and adaptability is 8. And some key features of this model, it has a context window of 8,000 tokens, license Apache 2. It only supports again only one language, that is English. And this was all about the second rank model. Now moving to the third rank model, that is Jossified Health Quen 3. It is again an 8 billion parameter model. Score is 8.15 out of 10. And talking about individual key metrics, empathy is 7, emotional relevance 9, tone is 8, boundary is 8, support is 8, ethical safety 10, clarity 9, consistency 8, self awareness 7, adaptability 8. And talking about some of the key details of this model, context window size is 32,000 tokens, great. License is Apache 2, and it supports two languages. You can refer the documentation. We have linked everything in the description. You could check out after this video. And last but not the least, the most important part, I would say, our robust evaluation and test cases. So basically, it talks about how we evaluated, what were our procedures, and how the evaluation framework looks. So the first phase was obviously model selection, second was chat simulation, third was recording, fourth was CareLock evaluation, and fifth was aggregated ranking. So model selection is basically about selecting our top candidate models, top 20 plus candidate models from Hugging Face, which are already doing good in therapeutic conversations. Then we simulate an entire conversations by giving them real world problems on maybe mental health, depression, any kind of health related aspect is touched here. Then once the simulation is done, we record it, and the recordings are then fed to the CareLock evaluation framework, and it generates individual key scores. And using those scores, we calculate the total aggregated weighted score, that is the total score in general. So this was the entire test case in a nutshell. But if you are someone who is still looking to get more details of this evaluation framework or test case, you could visit our GitHub page, Hugging Face page. We have a very detailed documentation about this. And if you want to try this model, it is already open sourced. We have already linked each and every model's pages in the description, and also the top 3 winners. If you want to try this, it is already again linked down in the description. So please test it. Let us know your feedback on this. If you think that a model is performing better, if a model is performing poor, engage in our BrainDrive community, join it, and let us know your results. And do share this video, like this video, and subscribe to BrainDrive. And until then, take care. Goodbye.